In today's video, I'm going to show you how to bulk change YouTube descriptions for free, and just as importantly, how to safely remove access once you're done. This method is perfect if you have multiple videos and want to update links, fix wording, add hashtags, or change descriptions without editing each video one by one in YouTube Studio. This saves a huge amount of time, especially for growing channels. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to EditBulk.com. This is a free bulk editing tool designed specifically for YouTube creators. Once the site loads, sign in using the Google account that manages your YouTube channel. During the sign-in process, Google will prompt you to allow EditBulk to manage your YouTube account. This permission is required so the tool can read and edit your video metadata. Review the prompt carefully, then click Allow to continue. After logging in, you'll be taken to the EditBulk dashboard. From here, click on Find and Replace. This is the feature that lets you update text across multiple videos at once. In the Find field, type the word or phrase you want to replace. This could be an old URL, outdated text, or anything you want removed from your descriptions. In the Replace field, type the new word or phrase you want to use instead. This is the updated text that will appear in your videos. Next, choose how many videos you want the tool to scan. You can limit this to recent uploads or expand it to your entire channel, depending on your needs. Make sure to adjust the settings so the replacement applies to the video description. This is important if you don't want titles or other fields modified. Once everything is set, click Search. EditBulk will scan your videos and show you exactly where the text appears. Review the results carefully, and when you're ready, click Replace. The tool will now apply the changes across all selected videos. After the process finishes, your YouTube descriptions will be updated automatically. No manual editing required. Now, here's a very important final step that many people skip. Once you're done with bulk editing, it's a good security practice to remove EditBulk's access to your YouTube channel. To do this, go to your Google account, click on Manage Your Account, then navigate to Security. From there, find third-party connections or apps with account access. Locate EditBulk and remove its access. This ensures your YouTube channel remains secure after you've finished making changes. And that's it. You've successfully bulk edited your YouTube descriptions for free and safely removed access afterward. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.